Is it important to a believer to try and visualize what a reward is kept for him in paradise? And is it possible to visualize at all?
The question should be translated, please. Every laborer who works, every servant of any company or government who works expects a reward. Without the vision of a reward, he cannot work, he will not work properly at least. So how could you believe that Allah's servants will serve His cause without knowing certainly that Allah will favor them and will provide them with some reward which is far more than the labor which they put in? This is inconceivable. Some prophets of Allah, of course, are exception, because they do not look at the rewards or do not visualize the reward. Allah is their reward. When they get Allah, that's all they could think of. And Allah will become more of theirs and closer to them, become closer to them in the hereafter. Much closer than He has been here on earth. So to visualize reward is natural. And not to visualize also is natural in the case of those who love the reward giver rather than the reward itself. Right?